Christian,
What?
it's Grandma's birthday, 2008. Yes. So let's have a look at this picture here. All right. Can you point to Grandma?
Grandma.
Yes. And point to Grandpa.
Grandpa.
Yeah. Where's your uncle?
Uncle.
Yes. Where's your daddy?
Daddy.
Yes. And where do Grandma and Grandpa live?
In their home.
Yes. And whose birthday is it?
Grandma.
Yes. Do you want to say anything to Grandma?
Yes.
What do you want to say to Grandma?
Happy birthday.
Yeah, can you say it to the camera? Say it really clearly. Happy birthday, Grandma. I love you.
Happy birthday.
Yeah. Remember what I told you? When you say hello to people or you say thank you, you have to look at their eyes, right? So the camera is like the eyes here. So you have to say it.
What is it, one eye and two eyes?
Yes. So what do you want to say to Grandma? Come on, look at the camera and say it.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you for what?
The present.
Yeah, Grandma sent you nice clothing and other things, didn't she?
Yeah.
Look at the camera.
Look.
What?
This.
The shirt. Yeah, you like the shirt too?
Look.
Oh, yeah. Oh, very nice. Yeah. So, it's Grandma's birthday. Can you sing happy birthday?
Happy birthday.
Come on. Sing. Come on. Hey.
Deep here.
Where?
Just like the
Where?
one.
What's deep?
That.
What is it?
This.
The swimming pool.
Why you can't put that inside the swimming pool?
Why do you think?
Because it's deep.
Yeah. What would happen if you put it inside the deep swimming pool?
You can't reach it.
Yeah. Is it dangerous?
Yes, you can fall.
And that's why we've got the fence, right? To stop people going in.
Where?
Over there. On the right. Which is your right hand, Christian? Right hand. Yes. And left hand?
Left hand.
Yes. So, Christian, do you want Grandpa and Grandma to come and visit us?
Yes.
Come and say it properly. Say to them, come to visit me.
Come to visit me.
Hey, do it properly. And why do you want them to visit you?
Because they want to visit me.
And what else? Why else?
Because
Christian.
I need this tree.
Yeah. Why else?
You want to
Christian. Come on, I'm interviewing you.
Ouch.
What happened?
Something.
Hurt your eye? You okay?
Yes.
Alright. Okay, so look, say bye to Grandma and Grandpa.
Bye, Grandma and Grandpa.
Yeah, do you love them?
Yes.
Yeah, and do you want them to come and visit you, to play with you?
Yes.
Grandpa's very good at telling stories, isn't he?
Where?
Grandpa taught me the Bomba Boonie stories. Do you like Bomba Boonie stories?
Yes.
Look at the camera.
Yes.
Yeah? Where does Bomba Boonie live?
In the jungle.
Yeah, and what does Bomba Boonie do?
He fights.